Yes, my dear students, how are you? I think all of you are fine. Now, I am Subhash Chakraborty, English teacher, Dhageshwari Mills School and College. I am going to teach you English first paper, and I will discuss a passage. Do you know many men and women has done a great job, has worked for our country, for our independence from British colonial rule. So, I want to know one name from you. Anybody can tell a woman name who has put a great contribution during British colonial rule? Yes, her name was Pritilota. Thank you. The unit 10 and lesson 3. Now I am writing here unit 10 lesson 3. So, I will discuss about her. Her name was Pritilota, and the topic's name, My Dreams My dream. So, at first, I am telling something about Pritilota. She was born on 5 May 1911 at Chattogram. She was a very meritorious student, and she completed her school life from Dr. Khosrodev Government High School. Then she admitted at Eden College in Dhaka. After she went Calcutta for higher education. From Calcutta, she completed her graduation degree in philosophy. So, after completion, now here I am writing E. So, coming back from Calcutta, she joined or took teachership profession and became headmaster in a school at Chittagong or Chattogram, Nandankanan Aparnacharan High School. So, এখান থেকে সে আস্তে আস্তে রাজনীতির সাথে জড়িয়ে পড়েন, বিকজ দ্যাট টাইম ওয়াজ ব্রিটিশ টাইম and British colonial rule was running that time. We should know about her dreams. That is why the topic's names My Dreams. Pritilota had two dreams. First one, a society without gender discrimination. Second one, motherland free from British colonial rule. She did not like British colonial rule and gender discrimination. That is why she pleased to free from our country from this. Two things. And Pritilota gradually involved in Surya Sen's anti-British movement. Now, what she did after involving that movement, Pritilota was given task to manage 10 to 12 men to attack the European club. Now, we should explain some things about European club. My dear students, European club was well-known club for notorious sign. There was written, dogs and Indians not allowed. That means the British people and the British ruler thought Indian and Bangladeshi people likes dogs and cats, and all the decision was taken from that club to oppress the people of Indian subcontinent. This was the center of taking decision for oppression our people. So, another things also need to explain about the European club. You know, Pritilota was died inside the club when she and her people attacked the club and Pritilata was man dressed অর্থাৎ পুরুষের পোশাক পরিহিত অবস্থায় ছিলেন। All the attackers came out from the club, but Pritilata was not able to go out from the club. So, to avoid the arrest, Pritilata committed suicide taking potassium cyanide. So, this European club is very important things in this passage. Now, when she attacked the club in 1932, she attacked the club when Pritilata was only 21 years old. You know what was her dream? Her dream was to free from the nest, free from the people, from British colonial rules. Her dream became true. But that time Pritilata was not alive. In 1947, we became free from the British colonial rule, but that time Pritilata was dead. So, I explain this passage and I will discuss some things with you. You know, here some word I have used, and in your text you will find the word. You should practice this word. At first, I am writing word here. She was born, B-O-R-N, born. That means জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন। Now, I am writing here word meaning. So, you should give attention or you should pay heed here to realize the passage, and I think you must practice this passage and find out the keyword I am writing here. Then another word, discrimination. Means বৈষম্য। Here in the text has been mentioned man and woman discrimination. So Pritilata did not like this. She want to remove this discrimination from the society. Now you see another word here, graduate. গ্র্যাজুয়েট, স্নাতক ডিগ্রি লাভ করা। স্নাতক ডিগ্রি। Now, revolution, you will find another word, revolution. Means বিপ্লব। Another word, movement. Means আন্দোলন। Movement means আন্দোলন, and committed suicide you will find in your text. Committed suicide. That means আত্মহত্যা করা। Can anyone tell me how and why Pritilata committed suicide? You know, she committed suicide to avoid arrest and taking potassium cyanide. Now, you see this is spelling REVULATION, revolution. Committed suicide, আত্মহত্যা করা. So, some difficult word meaning I wrote here. Now, I will explain her education. You know, she was very meritorious student. She studied at Khostogir Government School, then Eden College in Dhaka. After graduated in philosophy from Kolkata. Now, this one and this is her education, and her dream. Already I have explained, again I am saying some things, her dreams. You know, she had strong desire, only two strong desire. One is a society without gender discrimination, and the second one is free from colonial rule. Now, and these two things came true. It is very regretful, then she was not alive. In 1932, she attacked European club and died. But in 1947, in 1947, our Indian subcontinent became free from British colonial rule. However, she did not see this independence. Now, my dear student, I am giving some homework. For practicing at your home. Now, write in your exercise book or khata homework, I will give some short question. I think you will be able to write this, will be able to give the answer of this short question. First one, write in your register. First one, who was Pritilota? Second one, what was her dream? What was her dream? How did she die? Fourth one, why she, now you see, why did she attack European club? Why did she attack European club? These four your homework. I should you will be able to give the answer. Thank you everybody. Okay.